This screencast is for educational purposes only. Welcome back, students, to my final screencast. I will be showing you how to access and play the online educational video. Let's click on Google. Now, let's type in the link to my web quest. https://sites.google.com/wagner.edu/web-pollution/home, and now press enter on your keyboard. Now that we are on the web quest, click on Resources. The second link under Resources will take you to the online educational video called How Plastic Hurts the World. Let's click on the link. Once you click on the link, the video will automatically play. If you would like to pause the video to write down notes on what you are learning, click the button right here that says Pause. If you would like to play the video again, click it one more time where it says Play. A helpful hint is to pause the video after 4 important lessons. The first lesson is on the importance of recycling. The second lesson teaches you about the history of plastic and why it is so bad for our oceans. The third lesson teaches you how plastic can hurt the animals living in the ocean. The last lesson teaches you what you can do to reduce the plastic you use in your life. This educational video connects to our investigation because here you will learn the facts such as what plastic is and why it is so bad for our oceans. I chose this video for our investigation because the animation, which is the cartoon parts of the video, makes it fun to watch and easy for you to understand. The video takes you on a journey back 100 years ago when plastic was first invented. You will learn that plastic is very strong, which is bad for the oceans because it takes hundreds of years to break down. That means that plastic garbage is around for too long. This video also explains how plastic ends up in our oceans. You will see a plastic bag flying out of a landfill on a windy day and land in the ocean. Once in the ocean, the bag is mistaken for food by marine animals, and when they eat it, they become very sick, or the animals become entangled in the bag, which injures them. This video also explains to you what recycling is and why it is so important. This video shows you how, when you recycle your plastic, it does not go to a landfill or garbage dump. The old plastic that you recycle, such as old plastic water bottles, bags, and soda cups, are made into something new. This way, no new plastic is being made and added to the environment. Isn't that a smart idea? Yes. Recycling is great, but even better is to stop using single-use plastic items. The video gives you great ideas as how you can do this. I hope after watching this video, you have learned why it is so important to reduce single-use plastic in your life, and why it is so important to keep our oceans free from plastic. Thank you for listening to my screencasts.